Hello everyone, welcome to Public Consulting Service and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will show you complete field service and annual maintenance control solution workflow. So let's get started. So basically, in many service-based organizations, managing customer service requests is technician assignments, maintenance visit, material requisitions, and service documentation can become challenging when information is spread across spreadsheets, email, phone calls, or disconnected systems. This often result is delayed service executions, poor coordinations between office staff and field technician, incomplete service records, and difficult to tracking the progress of maintenance activities. The field service and AMC management module provide a centralized platform within the Odoo to efficiently manage the complete field service lifecycle. It enables to organizations to create and schedule service visits, assign technicians, manage work orders, track maintenance requests, plan and requisitions material, record consumed materials, monitor service progress, and maintain detailed service history from a single integrated system. The module also simplifies preventive and corrective maintenance management through annual maintenance contract support. Organization can schedule recurring service visitors, monitor SLA commitments, maintain customer equipment records, capture technician timesheets, and generate quotation for additional work when required. This ensures timely maintenance activities while improving service quality and customer satisfaction. With Sam with seamless integration across project, maintenance, inventory, purchase, sales, calendar, and accounting, the module allows every department to work with a real-time information. Manager can monitor ongoing field activities, technician can update a work performed directly from their assigned jobs, inventory teams can progress material requisition efficiently, and finance team can handle quotation and billing without duplicate data entry. Overall, the field service and AMC management module streamlines the service operations, improve technician productivity, maintenance planning, enhance communication between field and office teams, and provide a complete visibility into every customer service activity from the initial maintenance request to the successful completion of the field service visit and contract fulfillment. Okay, so now let's start the workflow. Navigate to the visit menu and open your existing visit record. Now you have one question: what a visit? So basically, a visit represents the actual field service appointment schedule for a customer's location. It serves as a central record for managing on-site service activities, allowing organization to track technician assignments, maintenance work, service progress, materials, and customer interaction from a single place. First, review the visit information section here. So here you can view important details such as a customer, visit type, related project, linked job order, company, and other service related information. Alongside these assignment and duration details. This section displays the schedule date, planned and actual service duration, visit completion date, and the assigned technician responsible for performing the field service. Next, scroll down to the work performed tab. This section used by technicians to record the activities completed during the visit. They can document the inspection performed, a repair carried out, a part replaced, testing completed, etc. Maintaining detailed work record provide a complete service history for a future maintenance and customer reference. After recording the service detail, open the Visit Photo tab. Here, technician can upload a photograph. Here, technician can upload a photographs captured during the field visit, such as equipment conditions before and after the repair, completed maintenance work, installation evidence, damaged components, or overall work site. These images serve as a visual documentation and improve service trackability. Finally, once the visit reaches the schedule stage, you can create the corresponding field service record manually. So we have already created that field service document. Navigate the field service document easily. The menu for field services. Begin by reviewing the field service information. Here you can view details such as a customer service request, visit reference, assigned technicians, project, service location, and the planned schedule. The record also displays the current service stage. Here you can see, making it easy to monitor the progress of the field operation. Next, here review the SLA details section. Basically, SLA as a service level agreement define the accepted response and completion time agreed upon with the customer. It helps organization measure service performance by tracking whether technician complete the assigned work within the commitment time frame. This ensures timely service delivery and improve customer satisfaction. Here we can configure categories, priorities, deadline levels, etc. etc. Now let's discuss about material planning. This tab is used during the planning stage to configure all resources required for the service visit, including materials, labors, and other operational requirements like overhead, etc. Planning these resources before the technician arrive at the customer's location help to ensure that all necessary items are available or not, reducing delays during the service execution. After completing the planning, create a material requisition. Using create material requisition option, basically a material requisition is an internal request used to obtain the required material from inventory before or during the field service. W- Once the requisition created, we have already created the document. So using smart button, open that document. Once the requisition is created, the requested item can be processed by the inventory team for issue and delivery to the technicians. Here, we can requisition actions like internal picking, purchase order. Okay, we have two options like internal picking and purchase order. And when it confirm, system will automatically generate create PO or picking option. Once that click, we have to configure picking details here like destination location, source locations, and picking type. So let's configure. Okay, here we have to select a vendor in purchase order line. So here system will generate automatically internal peaking and purchase order. You can see here internal peaking and purchase order. It is a material requisition workflow for maintaining materials to the field technician. Here we back to the field service, and after the completing the planning, cre- after the completing the planning to monitor the requested item, open the material requisition line. Here, this step provides a detailed breakdown to each requested material, including quantity, status, and related inventory information, allowing user to track every material requested for the services. And we have also monitor and track material requisitions documents for from material requisition particular tab. System also provide a material requisition line for tracking different line of that particular requisition. So next we have a timesheet configuration. So basically technician can record the time spent performing different service activities. These entries help to measure labor hours, improve productivity analysis, support project costing, and simplify customer billing when labor charges are applicable. Now, review the SLA time log. Here, this tab is automatically updated whenever the field service stages are changes. The system records the time spent in each stage and compare it against the configured SLA estimation. These automatic logs help monitor service performance, identify delays, evaluate SLA compliances, and provide a complete timing history without requiring manual entries. Here, just if we have a done stage, so here we can see done at data is already system will added 9th July for 10 p.m. Okay, and in done stage start date 9 July for 10 p.m. So basically system calculate automatically times hours and and overtime hours, consume times, delay times. System can automatically update the time as per our start time and done time. Okay, so now let's open the maintenance equipment. Okay, here we go. Here you can create or link the equipment in a service during the visit. Maintenance equipment record allow organization to track the complete maintenance history, previous service visits, inspections, warranties, and future preventive maintenance activities for each asset. Here, just one click, we can easily clear the maintenance equipment, fulfill all related data, and just click on the create equipment. Okay, so now let's open a material requisition workflow. From this section, user can create and manage additional material requisition directly from the field service whenever extra materials are required during the service execution. This keeps all inventory requests linked to the service record For complete trackability. Same like maintenance equipment, just one click you can create a maintenance request with the full feed all data related to maintenance request and click on the create button. System will automatically generate maintenance request and append here that line to link of field service. Okay. Finally, we have opened an image tab. Technician can upload photographs take before, during, and after the service, providing visual evidence of equipment coordination, repair work performed, complete installation, or any site observation. This image become part of the permanent service history. Okay. After the here we have a customer signature workflow. We will see later this workflow. It is a portal-based workflow basically. So after the reviewing complete field service record, navigate back to the visit to continue the remaining workflow. Let's open the visit document. After returning to the visit, open the timesheet tab. All timesheet entry recorded by technician the linked of field service are automatically synchronized and display here. This provide a full generated view of the total time spent on the visit without requiring duplicate entries. Okay. Now, next open the quotation line. This section is used to prepare a commercial purpose for the customer by adding the required materials, labor charges, and overhead, overhead costs associated with a service. From here, you can generate a quotation with simple click of create quotation button, which can be confirmed into a sale order. So here we have already click on this button and already create that document. So let's open that. Here, system will automatically generate a sale order, and here you can see the order line will append PVC pipes, then plumbing technician service, assistant technician service based on UOM. Then we can confirm and convert into a sale order. Now, if work is completed, then after the work is completed, an invoice can be created from the sale order. So let's create the invoice, a regular invoice. So here account move invoice is created with particular amounts detail and invoice lines. Now let's confirm it. Okay, let's confirm this. Order followed by payment registrations, completing the entire cell and begin workflow directly from the visit, then paid. This is basically Odoo standard flow for a sale order, uh, quotation, sale order, invoice, and payment. This is the Odoo standard workflow. Now back to the visit. Then we have internal note tab. If required, then we can fill or we can technician fill that data in internal notes. Next, if additionally work need to be assigned, to click the task button. This allows you to create a project task directly from the visit. The generated task remains linked with the visit, enabling technician and project team to manage, track, and complete individual service activities while maintaining complete trackability. Here we have already created, so let's open that. Here you can see if suppose we have a requirement of task. Uh, suppose once we visit one service, one field, okay, and technician says it is a very long process to complete or repair that equipment. Then for this situation, visit visit team can create a task for long process. Okay. Now back to the visit. If now if customer discussion, technician reviews, site inspections, or follow-up meetings are required, click to create a meeting button. The system create a meeting link to the current visit. It is schedule a meeting for our visit. Here you can see we have a meeting for a particular this visit. Okay. So now finally, after all service activities, documentation, quotation, task, meeting, and related progress have been completed, move to the visit to the done stage. This confirms that the field service visit has been successfully completed and all operational and commercial activities associated with the visit have been finalized. Now, let's quick review the portal workflow for both the field service technician and the customer or a visitor. Okay, so first log in to the portal as a field service technician. Log out. Login is a field service technician. First, log in into the portal as the field service technician. Then go to the website. Then open my account. From the portal dashboard, open the task menu and select the assign and field service task. Here we have open the task record, review the service details, and provide your digital signature. This is the main concept, and accept and sign it. That the assigned work has been completed. Once the signature is submitted, return to the backend where you can immediately see the technician's signature linked to the corresponding field service record. So let's quick log out the field service technicians and log in as a admin. Open that field service, and here system will add that portal signature in the backend. So we have logged into the customer, open the assigned service record and review the completed work. After verifying the service, So now log out and log in as a customer or a visitor, let's say. Go to the visit menu and open the assigned service record and review the completed work. Here we have a multiple tab configuration in a portal view like work performs, then visit photos and technician timesheets also. After verifying the service, the customer can provide the digital signature as an acknowledgement that the work has been completed. Accept and sign. Return to the backend once again where we can see the signature is automatically added and display on the related service record. Back to the admin, open the visit record, and here you can see contact signature. So this completes the portal workflow enabling both the field service technicians and visitors to securely acknowledgeable the complete work while maintaining a complete digital audit trail within the system. So basically this is the workflows, and if you have any query related to this workflow then feel free to contact us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.